Okay, let's jump right in. Get ready, because today in this explainer, we are embarking on a really thrilling journey of discovery. We're going to track the epic history of artificial intelligence, or AI as we all know it. We'll explore exactly how it went from this wild, almost science fiction daydream to the amazing tools we use literally every single day. So, did you know that scientists dreamed about intelligent machines way, way before smartphones or even basic computers existed? It's kind of mind-blowing to think about. I mean, you probably hold these super-powered tools in your hands right now, phones that answer your questions in seconds, help us find those super-fast routes on maps to beat traffic, or even generate entire images out of thin air. But this whole journey, it began decades ago, fueled by the grand dreams of scientists who were just way ahead of their time. Moving right into Section 1, the Smart Machine Dream. Let's travel back in time for a second. The story of AI isn't just some modern tale of Silicon Valley tech companies. It's actually an epic adventure, a story of great discoveries that started well before the modern tech we rely on was even a rough blueprint. Back in the year 1950, a brilliant scientist named Alan Turing asked a really simple but totally revolutionary question. Can machines think? To figure that out, he proposed the famous Turing test. And honestly, that single question was the spark, the absolute catalyst that ignited the whole concept of artificial intelligence as we know it. That brings us to Section 2, the birth of AI. So let's jump forward just a few years to 1956. This is the exact moment when that brilliant idea sparked by Turing finally got its official name and became a real dedicated field of study: artificial intelligence. The term was coined by scientist John McCarthy, and McCarthy was this visionary explorer because he genuinely believed that machines could be taught to think. I mean, think about how you learned what a dog is as a little kid, right? You saw lots of dogs until your brain just kind of knew the pattern. Well, McCarthy wondered, what if we could feed a machine enough information so it could learn and reason in that exact same way, instead of just mindlessly crunching numbers? Section 3. Machines that play games. Now, what's really interesting here is that as we move out of those early years, scientists needed a way to actually test if their machines were thinking. So these ideas evolved through some pretty epic challenges. And what better way to test brainpower than by building machines to play incredibly complex games against the best human minds on Earth? Fast forward to 1997, IBM scientists built a computer named Deep Blue specifically to play chess. And get this, Deep Blue actually defeated the reigning human world chess champion, Garry Kasparov. How on earth did it pull that off? Because it could calculate around 200 million chess positions every single second. Just try to imagine thinking of 200 million different moves in the blink of an eye. No way, right? That raw processing power proved machines could absolutely outcalculate us in specific rule-based tasks. Which leads us to Section 4, the modern AI explosion. Let's bring our journey much closer to the present day. You see, those early game-playing systems and expert systems from decades ago, they laid all the crucial groundwork. They completely paved the way for the massive tech boom we're seeing right now in 2022 and beyond. Generative AI has absolutely exploded in popularity. It went from this neat scientific idea to a powerful system used daily by billions of us. We're talking about tools like ChatGPT, those incredible image generators, and smart AI assistants. These aren't locked away in some basement lab playing chess anymore. They are right there, sitting in your pocket. Okay, let's check out this timeline to see how it all builds together. It's a fantastic summary of our time-traveling journey. Look at how AI evolved. It starts with Alan Turing's big idea in 1950. Then, the term is officially coined in 1956. Through the 70s and 80s, scientists are building expert systems to solve very specific problems. Bam, we hit 1997 with Deep Blue's historic chess victory. Then in 2011, another IBM creation named Watson actually wins a famous TV quiz show against human champions. And finally, that brings us right up to the 2022 explosion of generative AI, the super flexible tools we're relying on today. All right, Section 5, time for a pop quiz. Let's keep the energy high and put your human intelligence to the test. Before you tap your smartphone today, which, by the way, totally uses AI to do things like organize your photos or filter out your spam emails, let's remember where it all started. Here's your question. Who is known as the father of AI? Is it A, Albert Einstein, B, John McCarthy, C, Isaac Newton, or D, Bill Gates? Think back to our timeline and that visionary explorer we talked about who gave the field its official name. Go ahead, shout out your guess right now before the big reveal. And the answer is B, John McCarthy.
Great job if you nailed that one. Remember, he was the visionary scientist who officially coined the term artificial intelligence way back in 1956, all because he truly believed machines could be taught to think. And wow, look how right he was. To wrap up this explainer, I want you to think about this. We've gone from machines that could barely calculate chess moves to AI that acts as our literal daily assistants. So I challenge you, try to list 3 new ways you might use AI in your own life this week. And finally, with AI evolving so incredibly fast, what epic discovery do you think will be written into the timeline next? Keep exploring, and I'll catch you next time.